Good morning, friends. So, TET first chapter is arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, so what is the meaning of arithmetic progression? So, there it is the sequence of the form a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus n minus 1 into d. So, this is the AP where a is called first term, and d is common difference. So, nth term of this sequence is Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. For example, I will give one sequence. So, I will take n natural numbers 1, 2, 3 up to n. So, 1 preceding term of 2 is called 1. So 1 plus 1 we get 2. So if we add 1 again to the 2, so we will get 3. Again next term is 4. If we add 1 to 4 we will get 4. If we add two alternative terms, if we add 1 to 2 or any two alternative number, we will get next number. So here common difference between any two alternative term is same. So that is called D. So next is sum of first nth term. So nth term formula is Sn is equals to a plus second term, that is a plus d up to nth term. This is the nth term. So this is called first term. First element is called first term, second term up to nth term. So simplified version of this is equals to, so an by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is equals to one more formula is 1 by 2 plus a plus l. So where L is nth term of the AP. So we can use this formula, this any one of this sum of nth term formula. So some points related to AP, you should know these points. So difference D. So D is equals to Tn, nth term, and difference between any two alternative terms we will get D. So where n is a independent of that given sequence. Second one is if each term of AP is multiplied or added by a constant, the resultant sequence is AP. So for example, given AP is 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. So if we suppose I will add each term by 1, so I will add each term by 1, so I will get 3. If you add 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, so 6 plus 1 is 7, 8 plus 1 is 9, so on. So given resultant sequence also in AP. So if we add any term, okay, any constant term to each term. So next again they are told multiplied. Suppose I will multiply this sequence by 2. So given series becomes, if we add 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 6 to the 12, 16, so on. So this is also AP. So if we multiply each term by constant term, any constant term, we will again get AP. So that is the second point. Third point is if the corresponding term of two APs are added, then the resultant sequence is in AP. So AP means arithmetic progression. So I will take one sequence as 1, 2, 3, so on. Second sequence as 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. So if we add alternative term, so add 1 by 2, we will get 3, and 2 plus 4, we will get 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So next term is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. So on. So this is resultant sequence also in AP. Next point is, so fourth point, if capital A, B are in AP, then the A is called arithmetic mean between the extremes A and B is given by. So if A is an arithmetic mean means A and B are extremes means, so we can calculate arithmetic mean A is equals to A plus B by 2. That is the fourth point. Fifth point is, if A, x1, x2, xn up to B are in the AP, then x1, x2, xn are in nth APs between A and B and their sum. Okay, if you calculate this sum means Sn is equals to n by 2 A plus B. So this is the formula. Next, sixth one is, if they are given Sn, sum of nth term, so we can by this we can calculate nth term. Nth term Tn is equals to Sn minus Sn suffix n minus 1. So if you know these points, you can solve problems easily. So first problem, this is asked in 2021 Karnataka TET. So problem is, the sum of first nth term of an AP is given by Sn is equals to 3n square plus n, then its nth term is. So we want to find out nth term. So they are given Sn is equals to 3n square plus n. So we already know the formula for finding nth term. So already I have given Tn is equals to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So I want fifth term. So I will put n is equals to 5. Then T5 is equals to S5 minus S5 minus 1 is S4. So I want to calculate S5 and S4. I will take this as equation 1. So equation 1, put n is equals to 5. Then S5. N is 5 means S5 is equals to 3 substitute value of n is 5. So 5 square plus 5. So 5 into 25. 3 into 25 plus 5. 15, 1 carry, 675 plus 5. That is equals to 80. So again 1 implies I will put, because I want S4, so I will put n is equals to 4. So S4 is equals to 3 times 4 square plus 4. So 3 into 4, 4 are 16 plus 4, 18, 3, 48 plus 4, that is equals to 52. So we calculated S4 and S5. So put value of S5, S4 in this equation. T5 becomes, T5 is equals to 80 minus 52. We get 28. So I was not mentioning here options. So check once options are there in or not. I will give in comment box of this answer. So we go with this procedure only. Next question is, so this is asked 2020 Karnataka TET. So the 10th term of arithmetic progression. So we have to calculate 10th term. So we have to find out 10th term. They given sequence as 3, 7, 11, 3, 7, 11, so on. So we already know the formula. We have Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to find out 10th term. N is equals to 10. Value of a is equals to 3. Common difference 7 minus 3. D is equals to 7 minus 3. That is equals to 4. So t, substitute all the values in Tn formula. Tn is equals to 3 plus n is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 into d. Value of n is 10. Value of n is 10. 10 minus 1 into d. D is equals to 4. So that is equals to 3 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 3, 36. That is equals to 39. So option third is correct. Next question. This is also asked in 2020 Karnataka TET. The sum of the natural numbers between 100 and 200 which are exactly divisible by 6. So, which is exactly divisible by 6. First, check 100 is divisible by 6. So, no. 101 is divisible by 6. In between, we have to calculate in between 100 and 200. So, we have to first fix first term. So, that's why I am taking first 100. So, it is not divisible by 6. Again, this is also not divisible by 6 and 102. So, this is divisible by 6 because prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. So, it is divisible by 2 because end with even number and divisible by 3 because if we add each terms 1 plus 0 plus 3, 1 plus 0 plus 2, we will get 3. 3 is divisible by 3, then this number is divisible by 3. That is shortcut. So, I will fix first number as 102. If we divisible by 6 means we had 102 plus 6, 108, again plus add 6. Common difference. You take this as a common difference. So, add 6, 114. So, I want fix last term. So, last term as, so 200 is divisible by 6. No, because this is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2, but not divisible by 3. So, again check 199. This is also not divisible by 6. Again 198 by 6. It is divisible by 6 because here end with 8 is 8. Even number, it is divisible by 2. And 1 plus 9 plus 8 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3 means it is a divisible by 6. So, nth term is 198. So, we already know the value of a is equals to 102. Common difference is equals to 6. So, nth term Tn is equals to 198. We call it as this as a L. Okay, L is equals to 198. So, Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equals to L. So, we already know the sum of nth term. Sn is equals to n by 2 times a plus L. So, that is equals to n, value of n. So, we don't know the value of n. So, we have to calculate value of n by this equation. So, I will substitute other than n by 2. So, value of a is 102. Value of L is 198. So, we know the formula Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So, value of Tn is 198. That is equals to 102 plus n minus 1. Value of d is 6. So, if we shift 102 in left side, 102 minus 98 is 96. that is equals to 6n minus 6. If you shift 6 here, 90. 90 is equals to, sorry, this is minus. Okay, if you shift here, we get plus 96 plus 6 is 1, sorry, 102. Sorry, 102. That is equals to 6n. N is equals to 1 or 2 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 sevens are 32. So we will get the value of n is equals to 17. So substitute here. This is equals to n is 17. 17 by 2. 17 by 2. So if we add these two, so 200. 98 plus 2 is 100. Again 100. 300. So 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are 2 fives are 10. 150. That is equals to, we get final answer is 2550. So once you check the after calculation, is this matching answer or not? Thank you.